aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedie
right I was here mamo ajo na enwa kwaba enfamra sinopi live on Kumawood television ene da brada na da brada duru say ya na ye de asedama twedi ampo pa fi se kwabna ene abna omoda sonkokora enti da duru say ya ya na enya agro da ye wo na de enya duru wa da nya me ase na wo sika nkwa obotom adidi na wankata nso fili kakra bi se saa no nyame ehye no na bran tena se ane nyamre etimi eselo pe medin e de se Mike aha Kumawood TV ubetumi ajoin also on Facebook Kumawood TV on YouTube Kumawood TV na fe nyamre etimi edi nkomo nsam do so we say His Excellency the President ne ye hwani mu se enche kra bosu we no ahye ebo bosu we so de me se empa ho se MMDCs idin no baba bonten na ye hunu wan na ekro wan na etena mu na enya agro amanfo em hihye wo mu enra na me pon so na mo na bo ba ko frɛ me na ga se Mike boko de am so na bo boko se na mete won ka che na am so na bo me hye ho na se won so hye ho de yo se ha se de me ntimi o de o papa wa ye no me ntimi mpie maka dem so won na bo no ano e won na bo dada no aka dem se wonim se ono na eba okoto aso ana se osi fom aye sempi e ka mampani anim se obetimi e de list no aba but de ne won no mo awo mo de enya dan awo mo list no na me drop me ensa e de amount me ensa na me drop them exclusive one from the western region, two in Ashanti region and I me drop it etimi e de amamo na Excellent John Dramani Mahama akasa and O2 company and I forward F4 say was serenwa ni crop for almost say ministers na point is no omo wi a o man dodo enti omo de anon prosecute omo de offer kon bi so wi o man bia no on prosecute san crop no na enti and serve as a warning and a deterrent to others and also on komo e wa ha so say ye on peni o lucky pa o Ghana Kufuado obato ne mebere batu sika obato mebere enya agro kra mama na aka ebenyamre na yetumi edi nkomo won se nura na edi to anu se oko Guinea abrante ekura na wi aso na nkata minimo si nka de ode wuko hwe owu no ode kwa nkwane fa no go hwe owu se be ne me right there
so nsa kwetire
wa so nsa ha oho na nipa no o France o na afa kondi aso nsa de wa boba young guy o promote nyina na ya military banifo na ya still na no promote o trust ya o se no why papa de na nso mamu no ya mamu bone o tuna afra konya so ECOWAS enso e de omo nsam atoja akire mu se de akoso mo ne nyem kra na omo enyi ntuma no nso nsam enso e wa ha PNC amanyekuro mu se gu sakonkon ho omo general secretary onu se Janet omo yinadi enei omo etimi e de acting abedi ade a eno nso nsensem e wo ha ibenyamre ne de nkomo na Ghana Education Service ana afi nso no COVID-19 e ho nsensem say over 25 billion any sika COVID-19 e ba ye omo so omo de yato hand sanitizers achama free SHS and SHS nkola 25 billion well and also one komo enso e wo ha ibenyamre na yetimi edi nkomo wonum say over the weekend now His Excellency our Western region and Western North region na me no kwezi North Western North region yenyamre na enei yedi nkomo e Western North region ni ahwe akontomra ye so rice processing factory ampani etni apa hontoma everywhere okwasa hwe so a the finest ultramodern regional coordinating council building a watumi apa hontoma eni e ba be adwuma etmi e de aboda Western North region na mo be kai I think a month ago and of ata e kan say aye ngura nko a da na kura na kan nguram yensintu aso e be aduru no aka ho ampani akopa hontoma na ye dis ankomo no na sabi so constituency secretary for the NPP na Obashu no be ka say da bi o the Fatati TV ne so kan nya no kre o to challenge ye ko ho e ko pie mu ho na de de ko hu ya ansa no ampani e pa dwumade no hontoma na say be no hontoma no ene ye be atumi e de a kire secretary nankasa e wa ha income na MC for safi yo so municipal 7 wa ha sa so no fata o ka na asem so no enso wa ha ofatan se farmer obesi e wo Western North region a oye kuya odokoko nti nei yedi nkoma Western North a na ofata ene secretary so e wa ha na to say yes e be ko pa na akwa the creation of the new region Mahama maybe thank you to kan say it's not just creating regions but when you create regions let development be there send development to those regions said e be ya won so be hu say regions now create here no envaso abaso na ohun so man pani otiso yi creating regions na there but in terms of development no elake those regions no ibenyamre na yetumi adi eho no enso enkomo October 1st nyame ya adoma Ghana National Association of Teachers 2020 NAT omoko strike teacher for strike hooray ana teacher for strike da nkaja obo say teacher for mo say NAT say abai no nemo onemu edi mares bi akamu condition of service ene enkan no say ngada teacher ni ohun etimi kraka from another ba due to nanka free I think it's actually John Nomade Mahama penso ena e free ho ebesi ne ensamai the chef for say condition of service near the no enkoso yi akatu asem ye promotion enso kura na so mo konso no enkoe teacher form culture down sa e ba so pass ebesi ne hwinsi ye nti nyame adoma October 1st omoko strike obo nsem ofie ho okay ba mo yesa say mo amofra no okay eno so ehun enkobo enso ebenyamre na yetimi yedi na mo beka ya enkane MC a na owo edweso papa yi no so potokopa eno be di MPP achi ya ka be 4 months ama ya to aba in 2000 ena o switch camp ekodi NDC achi na NDC for man ka e de campaign na be yen sembebre in the year 2000 no e wo asantimantem ha no ena omo etimi is it 2008 sorry 2008 eno ena NDC timi di nkunim ema kanem ampani onye no bi kro JMOS ebedi ade na obedi ade no ena o appointed no Ashanti region say onko ye national health insurance CEO and I say regional director of national health insurance o Ashanti region ofiri wo ena o appointed no so onko dwoso na onko ye MC enfama manfo a omo adwoso in fact the runabout ehunu ya Ashanti runabout wo dwoso ono nani sware hunu ebi na ma ne baaye and just so development the biba pa e fe no afrifa ya mo ponko na fa ya ponko na ro just say enei o menu ma ya den ama na e kura hia ne ho nsore oso no ne yere ho e hia se nkaja wa kompem na nkaja wa so satisfy na yere no oso oduru wo pa na yere ba na nchepe no aka mo fa no school fees no aka electricity utilities abasi wo sa abun se peja nti ana san aka to gban na yere bebusa na wo se ho chiri ma enti osere man pani pa ono kwa DMC da no okwa mpa so ne ma dia na se maika azani ne enya se kura no fata dia mi se ono kwa dia nya to kura se ndie ojo so kura be sorry ho ho chiri pa kese pa no fa ya ba ko ka wasam sa no a ya di edi agro no accept it is your mismanagement that has crippled the economy John Ramani Mahama enra ana woka se mampani nanado wonyi ntum se oman no wantumi emu ni anada ni no ena ama eni economy no atija pansam wonyi ntum sa no nya sobo a wode bo no medin ade se Mike we are live on Facebook Kumawood TV on YouTube Kumawood TV channel so you also contemporary they be so it environments but bia ya dem live messages no famra ni nya American kan fam so na ko Western region so a elembele jomoro ene takrade Chama also live yanko Eastern region na also yanko Ekoforidia ene nkoko ekowati bie kwawati mpete ene dade nyina so yedem live ho yanko kumbubu ena afi yo ho nyina so yedem bia across the country and beyond ena ye mo he edi efi wadwen temfabra na yenya mre enkenkan from numbers to screen ase we are looking at the development after creation of new regions no ekoso and I say enkoso and then we be looking at John Ramani Mahama the advance of them nanado say unprosecuted the officials are corrupt e wona abemo messages no na kenkan fa ma shane so say and I say bi o ho a aboafo mo do sika so yase na ye de ma wo mo Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ko TV e no wo enei no so na Malam ha wi ase so musam otimi e de yawura mu sanso e na aseda bi enko emfa ema Venezuela travel and tour Santase Kumasi e no wo no pokora school na ehwede mu maka kire o obezo tu kwan na eyefo de ma ode a ko ho na omuntimi emwa Stardom e reality show de bro Kumawood TV audition no eguso e koso nti se wonya ma wo de a bra na empeke wo wini amaka kire so this time there 110,000 Ghana cedis no enyo no nko a e di bi kan ho na yasa do ko Dubai so da se sheden so Sunday so solid kit finance no baso na afi aseda bio enso enko emfa ema award travel and logistics enso aseda kese pa enko emfa mo so no be ko Dubai akopie mu ha bia no entimi ema meaning once again edit say Mike abejafo atenase ene eye Deputy Ashanti Regional Communication Officer for the NDC hopeful ayo fata abatrasi abakwa bako de
nyamia yela famu
anyo nsano ana
ni tia aduro ni nsano duma ni
kama
nyamia dawo
kama
madam bi ma so say
metia me je so me wadwuma bi kura de ma no bia ochena mefa ho do hwemia me brenda dwuma bi ai
ohwe wo ne ma no nyina
good emergency so adwuma ni emergency
onu de isa wa
okay
na wo ba so no se chena Nigeria enye na na kufu adu ama
Master Ju so nsano so ye kama Master Ju
ma menchia na menchia madam bi ma ne ma ne Master Ju na menchia mi nia
good
na menko Control district menko Ifadum Bisibema Twetweli na Adama camp menchia mi nia fadana ene kudo so mu nyina
nti stand wa na mo de chef mo aba na nkem fifi
oh
am I
eba enam kwa
by pipeline poso means yen mu nua abode ene ma ne so
me say afi no mi nua every western e ba ene wo yefie mi say ba me so yefie ni wini
okay
afi no ensuo no disappointed
okay je ba
oh eba
okay mate
kwan bia so eba
ma
afi ha mo na wo senke nsuo ni tono
anto eno so de sanya ban yo na but mo just on be jatu ma na I don't know if you remember say in so 20 and ban some say aban papa was so
one say o be kaya na na kufu ado ye planting for food and job na body and can.
Okay.
So can. Na men can count. Serious. But a mirror body a boo, you know. Uncle so a good for what buy na my body to a sense a great minister back today and say body a cry top body you 40 this nepal. And then a Bruno I don't see a one planting for food, you know. And then you have 2 more than 4-5 times. Many are winning so Western doing and then who bear do my free and I send them now. We near Bruno what okay. And I come to what be near if you do uncle. And see a baby Nanako for today. The Western for no a day could be an Yamia Duma, Minia by MC, they are better to near me. Okay. Nakoya MC in the regional minister, the Western region, Western North of us on it. Have you? Ah, and I do a feeling on the man.
Mamma incoming MC. Say you also. Benjamin upon a very surgeon. Sorry, Seben. Surgeon, my colleague. Say, Aquava.
I answer mine.
Boko dear.
Yamada room, mamma.
Western of the same.
Freedom point and Kupanda room.
So you also the same.
So you also your boko.
Nansana me didn't come more constituency.
Overkai or meet your friend computer.
Oh, computer, mammy, computer. But I don't computer. His name was computer. I don't know computer. I don't know computer. Oh, I know. Why they buy? Why they buy? Oh, Major Sopa. Oh, hey, so I computer man. I pay one of friends. Say, what we say, we know program. Sure, but I'm oh, okay. When the teacher. When the teacher. We don't know meeting. I'm not make a teacher. I think I'm going to teacher. I know you're not member. Me not great. Or no, you're not. So, I'm not if 1 year for. Or not. I see. Now, what I got? Not for you. No, crown. I'm saying, oh, you could for. Never you could. I have to switch. As a switch. Not one. Send my gratitude. No, consent. So, let me share more delegate conference. No, constituency. I think what was it? Delegate conference? Sure. Saying, not the same. Sama. And you marry my mincha. If you say now, my baby do hano. You manage Jepa. 3 weeks ago near Kasai. Sure. A brana, me and Casamofa or Fata. Yeah. Or didn't say me anything at the Mabi house. Now, my baby. My baby, you know. If you say, Metcha and Penifuna, about Western Norfolk. The regional minister, regional chairman, secretary, constituency in Penifuna, when you say you marry Omajibra or Moshe, John Fanson, especially say a banner, you by discuss Western North in perspective. Now, if you say, Dick kind here, to see a now, and I'm happy. Say, my baby do. Oh, say, message over my time so na time na ni omi oh remember me say what say about discussion be no be boa ma o minor to me akoni sure sometimes no me ba Ashanti region ade ba kwa ma notice ni say last week me call one of so now now there are a whole lot of misinformation was system especially in the family in that and I don't even fear how you give us a time. Now I can't want to say, I will put things in perspective. Okay. You know, they are the ready. Okay. But I said, no, pension. No. And shall see from work your phone, okay. Pension is we are for some pension. Pension is been a process. I think I shall say, Musana, man, so for no case, or much as if you knew what be as someone tears here. By Western Nubian Rizalambia. Said they are yet starting the whole process. What was said? I just we actually training. What to say? I share the amount. We do a certain period that because you are home here. Na ya bought photo the atohama. Say be a photo no be tomorrow for work is over there. Be free. You say I'm off at your family. Only say share no. Kodo kuku na kuku ni wa. Eno anu no. What we have kuku ku enimi na mo ofa. For the hour no the call. Okay. Because we do that time no. Na koko si SSVD yare no aka koko na kunu koko no bia odo no be over 40 years what did he wan wo kwa wiye no
40 50 na wa ho de ni ho bi mkura bitima ya fufu from obehu se na fi de kokko mpo ni obi hihye bi ani ho ai di ho adanse se wa ye adwuma bi nti yempe bibi kakra na oluman ososo fato bibi
okay
momone wo so da ye wo nkwan e basa awreho ekusunsun ekuni padua eno na ado dan kwa kufu ado be maba oso obeyen hihye ama na ka kokko akuyafo na eno no this is Jibre.
Okay.
Now you
briefly, just in a minute, more delegate conference, no?
Samak, delegate conference, no? Party number no check every year, Biano. As I say, yeah, it can be. Your party, the moon, you know, you share. Now, any party, no one come. No, and I, the MC last 2 weeks. Now, the you know, say, party, you share. Now, your book party, no? Baby you free baby aye ko nye yeduru ebu hu nkonta nyina se be ya ibe hu se party no ana mo na yitu no kwana ne na mu no ana bibi o se yetenten no yetrena na boa ma yesu yetuma yede yakọ eni nti hano delegate conference no de ade e feyi papa o hwe delegate o me pie mu na dwumadi e course ade a edise owo ho no aba be hwe o kan wa se bi
na minister in nose mask no
I just want to nose mask minister kra was advocating say
okay
obi am making sure say obi a be nose mask
okay
because for a part of even the friend say COVID-19 task force am hwe because a mandatory say so obi a nose mask public gathering but I'm say reporter no can be say no say nose mask nti misinformation
okay
at a point in time ICCC emotion me life
yeah
now I didn't tell you find influence say you should no smart
okay
but what me there me wa me be no smart
sure
me say sometimes we take you picture across because some say you no smart you twa
okay
why COVID so are there one secret they say baby I and spread the pie come you know why
no
buses VIP oh ya ntramo ye ninkomo aka wano atum say ba timo from Accra then to Kumasi so
e unya mfuru bi sa maami bi ti wachi a
so mak inti to start it up no
okay
no say no smash pa
e be ba ne abedi nkomo Western North wampani ba ho development say the city of Atanso ho no si kuani the demon fan champion pa o heavy free Kumbugu we free Eastern regional we din komo basically Western North enche bia na so ho no ye wura ho na enyamre etumi edi komo ho ye ntwa ho na enye nkrate ho emfa emra ye ba enyamre na afi yetumi esinopi
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu ba from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akon obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra adwuma me ne da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini mo ye ketekete oh ho no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa gulu an kasa nkra no wasa twi gulu ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu na say abaye mremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 pm ene nsia Kumawood TV na yenya mbre enwura sunsumu eno sukọ na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold na opese onya emwa ana se ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso ana se akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie odu ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
Say ya kwantu ne ho hyehyɛ pade a ɛno ane Venisberg Travel and Tour ɛyɛ dwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina agye atomu ɔbɔ ma ɔyɛ birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amoagye visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing deɛ wɔyɛ number 1 ɔdo bɛkɔ nkuro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any aman yɛ de Schengen visa de ondwuma nyinaa so na ɔdo kodura amanoni a baabi a ɔbɛda ɛne adwuma a ɔbɛyɛ nyinaa nso so ɔbɛpɛ ɛde amawo adisuafo mu kosua de ɛwɔ Canada UK Cyprus Czech Republic Australia Belarus Switzerland Ukraine Russia USA any aman keka ho nyinaa nso ɔde mbɛkɔ akodura sumdue mu jojo na ɔde mu kodura emra mu sua de no nso ɔsapɛ dwuma mamu a mo yɛ dwuma mu hunu ha bia Venisberg Travel and Tour head office ɛwɔ Kumasi Santase ne Opokuari school ene de animhwɛ bɛkwai odo Tobiriwura bank nchepe Bekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction de animhwɛ frɛ yɛ ne ɛwɔ 0242 902 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene ɛda yɛn so
The winner is Carrie.
Thanks.
Stardom. Kumawood TV reality show a basso Emma Ghana nyina ye budget so Emma season 1 ye di akwada wie no say season 2 audition no e basso den Stardom season 2 audition e basso live we your ba and now we berima wonim nyum to nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo bekire obobrede Stardom season 2 audition 2 ye di audition a edi kan no akona wie ye say de audition a etosu mienu ene de ebremu aye 11 September yimu ni da etosu edu baako ye di season 2 no ehye so bomodin say obaba ba pick your form fa beje o Stardom na achede e womu no de eye bebre aye Saturday a ebe ya bomodin say wonso obaba na obeje o Stardom audition no ebeye butu but number the good screen is no aye 0547 160380 0547 160380 fa number ni sesia na fa ye church omu ekwan a obafa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so ewo Kumasi anu ti ba bia wo bia say one crime say what Takrade say what Eastern Region say what Western Region say what Bro East and Bro West and ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase afa na nyina omodin say 21st August ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumasi ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepe and the audition no ehye so anopa no ndu pepepe eye 10 am na ya shase ye de dimusa ekosi 4 pm and ti babia wo bia tutumrikai na won so fa wadoma chede ebra na Stardom season 2 we ha ebeye butu
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom
obi o wa mene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya djuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw
right awusia yensan ema wakwaba uguso ehwe Sinopi live on Kumawood TV midin ade se ba ke nyamre tin komo dwendwen oman no ho hwe mo man no etumi etumpon se ye ntimi anka na won so wantimi ankyere wadwen a wan hwe a panese do twa sanu tin tiachia na akochia esa so anya de se ebeboa edei yedi nkomo wampani ade na mienu ekọ western of region okono na ni so de hu ye mienu se okodase se omunya emre ekodi kiw so koto abade ma no ma no no ni wasan be wampani odo we be ka say western of well secretary abeboa na ehu the way elections na koye e wo ho so wampani na western of first na de na o ka NPP asem wo a da bi wo ananka bebu pa mo peti be ne utumi say party NPP no emu ya kono kakra e wo western north region wampani e koda asiwe no e na nyumadie bi wa sha ase di no ho so opa ho entuma etumi e de kire ye na ofa wo regional community council office complex no wo efe good e ba bi di won ko se bi na ase akanwurem nti minim se wampani ko ya na tentem so no mo de ye yo se yo baren o ka za kanwurem so no within a week I'm smart reporter okọ no frame so nya saa o
reporter mo nka to sanya
anya saa na tie no ni funu ni bae
dia uhu ye no eye pressure ayese won zo mampanyin na kasa MPP aban no ayese atechidie no wan fe jam to wo machi a wo nya adwuma so what you say ejana ye de to wo machi no ene ma wo dimirika ekoye ye no ye no so eso aba faso ama ye ne a ye ye adwuma wo western of ene ye ne ayete wo Sani ye expect so man panyin be ye.
Oh, ndi bra wo kan ye no.
Oh, me kan ye no no mo di mirika ga say ahwe ye no mpiase ye be kan ye. Minuti krodua mu ya wa ya wo ma panyin ba kuma se ye. Mu ha kwan yi wo ma fa na jo edumi no mo ye kwan wie. Me wo ka chem say me poa. Ye ni airport ho amana na da ho no. Ada no ma panyin ba kuma se a obefa airport no. Wo ma nyina wa anye wa adwuma na jo awie anwumere. People talk free yakọ ye no be say ekoto amna no yasa akọ no bi ami busaw ento mo panye ko fo de ne star no
baba
sa on ma ho dia wa yi na so ba sa oba dia no dimrika na ko ye wo djuma kukukuku
right
me ne wo kan me nim se be ba de ba me fa we ntwam na sa ni ne ya o mo ka se afali amo an se to ko dia ni adjuma enu deputy interior minister wa ma Dada na mo kan no aba ho enti dada dia star enti yan so ye pe yo e ho no be man the credit to extend say we better make so ye listening government so just here o ti se baby aye born because it's all tonfo baby aye born na wo hia no enti we say o ti se ye ka no betu mi ka ko ye se dia e no ni ye dwuma and centralfo ni ye opposition for ye dwuma ti ye be kan ya force no ama na ye dwuma because ye taxpayers money
right Saben Western of region on penny 2 days na ba ho boy nkomo obaye hene okoye adwuma die be no be die na ase no a ene that factory no kra no aban na die entirely na se bia PPP se die na yeti
Seba
senior
piece medawase na mache wotie fo nyina
good
mimre wenyonko amen na me friend Mora
the coach could not be hard
on how games
okay
the channel coins from okay and I which is so much if you have man you actually body match or testing message
right
I don't know so much channel coins from the man you may be more dreaming kaka pata said we share na bro na said when we say discussion we 3 weeks a day see we a dear ben a dance you said then we akawro sabe ka frate you fan say 3 weeks ni wo betena ha hye nkom say sa dan we
dan we ne kan wase
dan we ne kan wase na wo ka tre say akawro mu wo betimi di 3 weeks akobo paint ado ho aye sa design ya na wo hu ni na
of this picture was taken a week I think 5 days after say make the allegation
na mean that to credibility
the person make can say
even 2 days kwa betim dia ye adwuma we
man nwe
eti the person make can say ye kwan a you know no NDC for omo fa so communicate na me fi say mo o man chichire no of ataka bi na me so maka bi a we must give credit to where credit is due. One say enyo no onya na waye bibi enche 3 weeks ni ana NDC leader Yewura Mahama enam Ghana nyina se ye fire no
Equity region.
Na se watiefo ana se wahwefo hwe de yekoso na omudi ho adanse ye se region a ye ka no all over the country no enye anu asem ne ye ka eye adwuma ekoso we a classical example Western North no I will not speak for Oti men can of East men can Savannah I'll speak for Western North because very fortunately you know enura and a president if you region na ye wu no and I will show no one evidence a edi answer dance say asemo a NDC a Yewura Mahama di anim na 3 weeks ago Yewura of Ataso kabi no ni nyina no enim hwe say ye ko abakosemu a e kwa region we fa so ba ye ne ye te region 2 years ni na say 2 years na so man no atena se no mampanyini no wa hu se Western North fo sebe ka fra che yeso ye hu hia o man na japade ne ye cha esese yeso ye nya ye de etisa na ete de a ye create Western North region enam yeso e be nya 5 other regions e be kan ho ye nya wie ye no necessary develop it sa edan ya hu ne ha no anya Western North nkwa na bi o it's all over
no sir
the other 5 regions
but I think that Western of
by ye de di kan I de ye wi and it's a set wujitum say so far as ye di kan wi Western North region there no 5 na aka no omu de nyina so ye be de ye be wi mpanyufo say de wawe kotoda no oso obewe okura obewe kura me ni ne nana adodan kwa kufu ado nsa no nyuma no 2 years anya we ngu ye wo ada adwuma president am making sure say ya spread it.
So
our district no
district
no ko ye na rice factory right
yes
good
on top that
what is the motive the power
good share wopata na earlier submission no no can say me MPP abanye baye ye focus government no matter propaganda BNDC baye then I'm ready say person me ye debate if in 1992 and the see 2021 abanye watena Ghana kunwa so ache nyem fa the perspective Western North nye we develop Western North but what aka ye better me ye hwe the time we bisa sa question we NDC since 1992 the man swa oba Western North all over MP say wo nyina no mo NDC for factory NDC factory ba kukura nana adodan kwa kufu ado be ma ba place of 5 years we establish a factory rice processing factory awa bia no machine ya setting ho e bet me a process rice a ton of 1.5 to 2.5 fair can you say oka planting for food and jobs oba Western North idua mo pa
okay
na machine ya setting no e be set regions ni nyina districts ni nyina se ba bi edomu bia no
mpamra
omo de be ko ya ko for process
raw materials no ho
600 farmers
and
600 farmers
currently
NSCC ano omo ba be supply machine no amoma yegu then others will join
sure
and it's all over emo no nya kwondoma ngwa ne dua no yo so dua bi awon wen all over emo ne dua bi o na bisa se sadie we entanya achievement kese wo be tra video so a esese ye kan sem sampa credit esese ye de man anado dan kwa kufuado because really he is a vision leader
so bi so ka say e bi ana factory no bi ye we bi di ama Western North for be bi a ka say NDC for enye hwi if you are no more so one or the other no a coin be you to baby man be beat me for baby copy baby no that's your achievement oh
fair a coin you about you know can discussions you ever back coin fair the man make the American when we see a car factory and you is over establish a factory
sure
na Ghana nyina mpu no factory say ne wo so na metro na no fatati has wo farmer na wadi ndc achi saa na ndc abamba e bisa say die ba die na mo no 2 year de bo afames hwe ade factory na ye create no hwe indirect jobs side beba don't talk of the direct
okay
sa so mpa rice na ye betwa no ye twa no 5 kilos 10 kilos 15 20 50 kilos na yenhwe vendors o mekwa akofa no mo mbe no retail no mo mo no wholesale yenhwe the economic value the impact and mo aye be process no so no enya abofu mo eye local rice yankasa ye mo na ye bia no omo add value ni aye nice packaging ni aton no e wo yankasa ye market me percent this if twa no photo ni efe until the president ayi Semak ohinya basobo ana ne ye kan nyina no a period of 5 years 5 years the early months in the second term
okay
we in 9
we okay say president airborne in 2016 oba safi oso oba kontomra oba other district baby any Canada district was okay say omotomanwa mamunya dumanya we be one district one factory in all the districts I work 5 years on we be back home
is that now for the youth
tell me what safi
Semak fair factory o share history Kwame Nkrumah be factory in your mind by every state of the factory in the crowd track crowd what is that one the current o industrialization there were factors that you didn't so the beef factory because raw material crap so when you raw material from factory the relevance will not be there but what me dey the beef factory visibility study as say wo ye e make sure say my young hwehwemu hu say sa product we am a person me making available to the machines no in fact me land adequate land akora bit man do e mono that continue na ye pe because the machine we our bia no obetuma process 1.5 to 2.5 tons of rice o multiply by so obey adwuma 24/7 you can just imagine uhia no dodo enye debate see e be yes e so called establish factory bia o e se see e hwe say adwumadie na aba the continuity
right
na eno na me tro say
obi panikase bi ono no western region there but then odi na juma pa western of wase me say we ne obi de na o mampani abetrim ana say aban na kasa de
aban dia
okay
government aban dia na factories na ye one say e wo ma hodo bebre ebi wo ha private one na aban dey apartment by way a government rice processing factory.
Okay.
Now, we were to what? Almost western north. 9 constituencies are almost. You are building warehouse all over.
Oh, okay. In each district?
Yes.
Wow.
West. There is a warehouse over there. Oba se fi also a warehouse. A kontomra, a koswama. Just say, oh, can say a shebo. Akosi say. Esa sa baninya the political war. Sa de no mede meye. You two anamo. You may talk sad in dinner, umi factory baby. Me say it takes a lot.
Warehouse.
So we also. Na MP any aban yen hihye yes set cocoa processing factory. It's unfortunate. COVID ne trunketi. By no crowd no say after no. Ye nana o mahene nana okatachi kwasibu mankama kunu kuru ya masase a ye be cocoa processing factory,
which is possible.
Possible.
Yeah, because
I'm saying or three. I didn't know so three. Cocoa, Finanama pencil. Aban is all about innovations. We should add value to raw materials near the other. You don't call Amanonino. Yet the cocoa in a swan near the aqua, near the bush shape, or near the co. Chocolate. Yet me and any chocolate to her. As if near marketing kitty boa, we can set a factory for it.
Okay.
Now, my value for money. Near Mabuno Sonia, you might. Aye. As my best year can Pusiano. And yes, Rasamu. Identity and you walk cocoa. Said ye one because a availability of what? Raw material. Raw material, no, as I said, a bino, echo, no copper partnership. Australia government, your machines, your beboa, sometimes funding. Agri Development Bank, no more swabua, now you quite the fast way and Sabeka machines, no, ya set it. Ya the raw material no my factory now. Now I create a Juma Mabunu. Cocoa no, ne shed ne pot no cry a bonus, no. And no cry no factory no, a binya a Juma no so ebe. And no the year so the idea seminar and annual money. So what you are among him that? So the what no could happen. Fata, so you are among him. Yet the cocoa no near day. But this the Union and another Danko Kufuado Nabai. No, I drink as any money will be put in perspective. Sure, it's not a matter of say we are happy and I say we are not happy. And then we feed you. Nidi, I can say Sinipi. Me Sinipi and then our feed you to say between NDC and MPP. No. MPP is far better than the NDC in Western of in terms of development. Young for years, they are more money now, more boom. I know. If you know the two at the back. Another Danko Kufuado. The first 5 years. Now they are Mampangida Dakufu. So first 8 years. For the count one. MPP. Now Chesevi. Western of Munyam. More.
Is it because of the factory you are talking about?
Another factory. Show him. MPP Amambai. Abana Jane who said, SSMC a drone center. A supply essential drugs.
Oh, so they are across the country.
Across the
country. Yes.
And I make sure say, okay, across the country and any day.
Across it could be a benefit to me. Indeed,
me say, I buy. As I say, we are buying. Ujino man for. Serious. Of eternity, you can. Walk for your crew. No, now walk on. As I said, drone within 15 minutes. You know, your command will wardrobe. I mean, the bonano hotel. And this young people want to drink farmer. No. Answer ma. Now, the whole country, first 3 zip line machines are here, but the drone center, the whole country, serious.
We show that zip, you know, the drone.
Now, one say innovative, no. Who shall president of the republic? Men can say ordinary a yikeku. Who could do one out you many mudia? One. Says a mark as a teacher, as a farmer. Me papa men and I walk off food. As some tone of a quiet be fast one. Health center be available to no. You be man essential drugs. At no cost, no fee. For free. Need the answer say health center and be request say of ata want to know to about do be health center. Acha. Yeah, they do not
effective.
Very effective. Very, very
Juma.
Very, very effective.
24 hours.
Now, yeah, we hear by or Jenny Timam phone or Jenny Yaku phone. Because and this you will not get our share of the national cake. If you know better now, catch them say NDC. Maybe won your back. Someone answer no baby Sammy another questions. You for health sector and into near Mount Rose. Uber Rose is what save. Of Atane way, I'm happy. So that contomra. An officer we also a quack contomra. Bisan contractor also you go kuta. Omagua could do your brother say Zara, Bisan Boa. Bisan. And on the say a buy no political. Your farmer, Bisano, Zara, Bisan, Udimo, also dog, Bisan one.
Okay.
So we drone center here. And very powerful. Now where did you do omudi? Serious. Western North.
Okay. Okay.
Now, a kwa was fatafu. When I near the ban NDC for said, we didn't go Jalia. Machine by a penal. Sauti. He said, you know, former MC, and he said, I want to have a no one to me, no one to me, man. Sabe Pepe. What innovative ideas about innovation? I let it from my a better efficiency from your development.
So, I know I'm alive for easy. Eddie, I'm more Western.
Exactly.
Good.
Because
I'm going for
a scientific way.
Okay.
You tell true.
Right. I'm going for Tao. Western North. Western North. Good.
When you say 35 minutes now, the man will be the same time. When you say, oh, yes, it's here because a commander inside your kind, if you are. Minya, I am a dead. Sir, or yet secretary to the secretary also. Now, you're incoming MC. To the worker says, ah, there was work. Because one pressure Kufuadua. Number one. Right. And the Obayano, as MC, there was so pressure buying because one trainer now we put Gufu and Sierra Nakufuadu and Buffalo Tam will find the Shana Motu, who do deserve. Tiziano, a member and Penifone Tono, a comma Bruno. Minimajuma, YN or Western of anything until you deserve it. And your program winner, Ebeka, Ashanti said was your cat and perfect. But at your phone, 8 years and a bed judge. And the Masteria Maminia, my number one. Rice factory now you could be and your government owned.
Oh, you see, per what I read and per what I listened to know, that rural enterprise development projects.
But one of your bought time oh yes, a by government institution as the company they will see you. Ah, who call yes, I mean, look, say your quackers are prequa. Yen ya coffee juma and I see you. Your cocoa border. Yanya papa, former MP, Edu, and I see you. Me patrol rice processing company, a company, one I see you.
Managing director.
And one manages I
can't tell.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you know the person?
Me patrol Yabotre, oh, of my. I am a dead, so will be said, you know the person. Government, you can say institution, that's a company, BNY, a bino, our copiano. Only chief executive and also only border festival. And to find information for your listeners information. Oh my why Anna Bino or could be a yano. Because I never for the castle quiet Ketasi a port. Okay. Or the chief executive officer quite now. A brother I am here, bra. Nakati company will be. And we are number one. Say, yeah, come Western North Development. NDC Juma Wayan Western North no. A baby who especially the safety line. Minya ya aware. First is a wolf free. Kajeti say. Kosefi. Sefi you also. Would you call the Sibema and Koduma? Kaba pen and down here for YB. But just okay, YB. Yabedia Kuna Yabeko. Omu Besibema. Na Omu Free Jumakase Kessia. Can you to a Benada? Just say a fiada na car the best to. And two corner way in your car now, who best sign Ada. Next year 2011 ya buy it here. And you may be a NDC a year or na me we one casa me boa. Patrol a year green book over and patrol say public transport. Oh yes, Mr. NDC green book. NDC green book. Better than agenda from family staff. But a year public transport. Now but the trainer was saying, as a result of additional buses, 20 new routes have been added to existing network, giving access to community. Among them are Samuel Boy, Katakrachi, Emehame, Nzaura, Akontomra, Sankore, and Dambai.
Okay.
Kacha Samenu say here bang and Omunya pass from Nzaura to Akontomra. First, so maybe. First, na Akontomra, so Becca, na Akontomra, you also in one district.
Okay. Cheto. Over to us.
Oda wo kasa ni sema na wo kan bebre o wa na e wo san ka me bamba ti ja o. NDC aban enu hunu se ofri even se hwiyo so e ko akontomra wo bre yo so kra pese no wontimi nya akontomra ka o.
Okay.
Adwina se ana obenya akontomra ka.
Obasa ho na akwa main station for almost we.
Enye ho kwa Western North you also and the yen capital.
That time you also wasn't capital.
You also is the capital.
No, time wa wo kan you know. Now you also your capital.
You also was the capital.
You also a district.
Yes.
But a district the offer. We never be adwen say we establish station there. You can look at the routes. Now what the baby station.
Say Mike. So me kase wunya akontomra ka wo you also a. Eya no kra na anya no kra.
Eya no kra ba and no that's not
because etanishi will be a image and ni development but me chiro
okay
je e ho na ye district capital
okay
uko district administration no e yes you also ne wo eni adwuna se
yeah
but what you say e ye ndc aban e na create akontomla district
okay
e man ni ye conducive ma o mo say o mo bra o mo beba ebi na ebi mu efiri e ho e ko asankragba you can say dinche and ebi mu so ba you also na wo the route a ya the bus kofo bus yi bi ekoto ho a na firi enzawura ekọ akontomra and e bi firi kumasi ya say ekọ akontomra straight NDC number 2 SAS factory ya won kasa o ma bie praise the Lord hallelujah eye etinye bia ni ho factory ni ye bie ye na kofo ado ko bie no ba bi okobie ye no na light wo ho but an some when na the light electrification no wo de call ye me pato ye say yes abrabo ye firi kon am yakono me nye so say na light no wan ko beto generator ko so say makobie factory di ama wo mo obie factory ni because of na obi me ne wo ye ofi wasi no fa ye me de ye fre bi nchakire so nim sa ye do du pdie an ye dua body ama body aba enti sami am do afuo no wo se me nye hwe na wo betwa body am ye nya kokko di nti wo se wa ya ade a na me to say ya na afuo na enka kokko no kra emma number 2 number 3 we see na MPP abaya bonu modern sin abaya bia in terms of Western North hwe do na ye de call ye no menene kasa bu say MPP chief compounds and say hospitals be no say no matimi asi over Western North ukọ anwia so sesie ya onso mo ba bia ni anwia so be kwai ukọ anwia se ye wo nursing training college ya NDC and establish ye nursing training college aye training nurses ye wo mo ye twe ukọ the same Western North wa ye wo ba bi ti say mafia chip compound ya NDC and the baye me ya so say me nwe wo no awonim ye me kan nyina ye wo ba bi ti say boodi uko boodi a ye wo chip compound na say clinic no pode ye clinic NDC and establish ye wo a lot of hospitals ne teachers nurses bungalows aye the nurses akotene mu a sa drone na wo ka so de akosi wo no ekọ a sabin predo sa me nua wanim fare ne ani die mu me ka na aye de nyesa me bu onimtia ye mfa nkonko buom na kohwe wo mo ye de hospital ne clinic and chip compounds no and ye de kohwe wo mo such compounds na ebo ho na ansa na wo dis drone ne ko no eye one ne sisi such compounds no minu ya tia won fere eye maniwu wo beka Enzawura road one share road na se Enzawura road ekwan e Danzawura e de copy me no eye NDC and de ma contract eye one of the cocoa roads a ye boba ye no ana mo se sika wo mo ne sododo na Nekufu do the 10 billion Ghana cedis and a year auditing 10 billion and a year auditing say or say contract na de ma ye no na bibi boni wo mu a busa ni say wo mo buy 2016 2014 contract na ye de ma no enye the same contract na mo de ama no mo hwehwe bu wie na mo say ya anye bibia wo ana mo ma contract na buy mo buy na ekwan ye buso a ye twa wono podi wose ya dura duma fia menye so se but menim say wo ho no wo fire but menye so se wonim kwan so meni wo kasa se wonim atwam wo atakuro atwam ekwan na wo ka no atwam wo atakuro wo duma fia de se wo fire duma fia na wo kwai atwam bo pankwanta atwam wo ye kan se besi bema enkwadum atwamu wa takurom atwamu otwetwe junction kura eko NDC project but enya bone sa mobile mo to aso but when we are talking about development yen na ye district no and ye electrification baby woka enkwadum mimi ko school wo enkwadum
okay
enti metina enkwadum 7 good years sebi producer tade no woka quota any electricity na ye hu bigja NDC and the electricity eba enkwadum ediko bopa ediko kondru eko komboma eko bayi botin kwanta nyina
okay so you have touched on onono ekan rice factory also what touch on nursing training college which is also a form of employment will be a juma
apart from that
but we make say me
Western North inche teachers bungalow 13 bed capacity teachers bungalow NDC and the see at is inche government hospital.
Okay, but obi so make say one of the days Western regional and Western offer now NDC nko ha when you say at that time omo edema NDC massively no development omunya yi
development omunya
yi no was it okay
say yeah
say the no better ha na kasa Ashanti region MPP nko ha but you hear the way no
so we should development NDC ayema Western North for a social development MPP ayema Ashanti region.
Wow.
Mami number 1 wo free benchmark sambato woni benchmark ni adofua 39 kilometer road 35 million euro Netherlands government and ye ya or the years adofua benchmark road at the Western North Western North in Zeminu woni ayam for asanwe so but o ka ayam for asanwe so ni mo
for ayam for no dey I know ayam
52.2 kilometer road a World Bank funded NDC o say udura sanwe so na say o ko be kwai na e da so say na e back fa base ho sa road no me fa say sa lane no mkokum mejo maama no sa area no na wo fa kosie anwia so da American nursing training 3.6 kilometer Koko road into Nyankosan NDC ensanu aduma
okay
uko inche government hospital 27 bed maternity block NDC and the CE Western North asemo kwa na ye kano me pacho apart from no uko teachers bungalow e wo the same anybody makane dada uko kofi ponko pacho so ni kofi ponko say unit classroom district assembly block NDC and the CE uko say unit junior staff flat I wo the biso NDC minim so ni the biso so won nyina ye Western North me pedase uko akati so chip compound so ni makati so ni say chip compound so ni say NDC insanu aduma because meaning say and na wo promote to you can say Western North amanfuo wo Western North for omutie
yes and meba o share wo Western North I think for and can every Adabo cocoa they call it cocoa say some of the rehabilitated farms in Adabo Krum Western North. In fact, Adabo Krum is doing great in terms of rehabilitation in Western North. We have treated more than 25,000 hectares in Adabo Krum. 85% of farmers have been compensated, and these pictures are some of the farms. I think the pictures near ready. I'm going to show to me at the Amaya. Well, if you Western North, in the Western North, comparatively over NDC, NPP in terms of development, but I will come to you after what I say. What chip compounds? Acquire what do I link rules? I would do what media want to do. Mobile, no chip compounds. What is it? Sunny City, but I will come wrap up for me.
Uko secretary also senior high or yes secretary
Sekwe. I want to say was sorry
14 unit classroom senior high school
14 unit classroom block
14 unit block and what secretary also senior high I want Okon Zaura Eduma Fuyan Zaura one of the community senior high school serve the whole of Akontomra entry.
Okay.
21 Enya no ko administration block. Ewo Buodi senior high technical administrative block esia NDC esiye edima omo. Ko mafia chip compounds wa. Yes, nurses camp apart from chip compound no. Nurses bungalows. Yes, ama ennemenu ka say nurses ewom. Me say Mike me can say say you can Western North development. Say me din kan say gone of the day sa wo free surgery eba sabi the original minister bika here.
So jare.
Would do more. Aye Rollins and the amount surgery mine ehunu quota first. Aye NDC regime and aye ehunu quota first no saka ni to free kagetia anopa 8 o'clock me so ya awe na menu so ya we semai ukwa kodu surgery you also 4 o'clock
Enyumre
4 o'clock. Now we finish surgery you also eko besi be mane you kwa kodu agumache 3 o'clock.
Right.
Ninyi na echi no the NDC ani so adwunu and making sure say surgery mine ebe fa no to ma pefra. Minnu akasa bebe na ye me de na ka ye si papa ngoma so pa ngoma so nya na nu de o. Say ye ka de surgery mine pepper and the modi ko ye campaign kura wo wa 7 districts and 9 constituencies no mo promise 9 factories. And you ko ye some snad yan kunu wutwa mu one yan fan say ras na ye mo dia wutwa mu one wo say yan tik so wa pass me ye enna ayi captain smart because ayi bom.
Right, Masaba, abusa eguso ofata ofa medase. Eguso AD and Komo Western North region in Ghana. One of the regions I between ka say ohwe oman di e de kwenum na di timi so de koma na koton nya faso e de bo oman no a edi akotene pa e wo mu pa Western North region, but at times most of times na ya na hu ne say eba development manyoku bako abakwa baraya na ase ofon kakra ho nkomo na nei enyamra ye die Dr. Kwakudia we are founder edema NPP a doctor fo a omo support party no ehwe ayafo wo party num wo campaign mo twa hwe no wo na we are founder otiti omo ema na enya doctor fo titi a omo ewo NPP mu wo he me won say of course no ba na eba wo Western of wo koko kakra ho. I don't know, we will get to you. And then Evangelist Richard Pra also also now say Western of in focus. And then Nana Ajiman Prempe Adabu Krum Kumawood division and Adabu Krum Chet so that kind of Chet division and Yena was a pa say also here mama here na the messages no numbers no good screen as no fabra na inyamre enkenkan enfama still in the Western North region and I didn't come up ma minti o what make mention of roads waka infrastructure in terms of education classroom blocks almost see waka chief compound on health you touch on factory and then regional coordinating council
study of fantasy representation. Come on, I'm very bad. Oh, now Rebecca, I'm about to process. I mean,
okay. But then, will you give us details of a Nema Monsumaya in terms of education? Okay.
The Babe process, I mean, say, Bear, you do not cry. Good. One is them now, I can. Yeah. What's the Akondom Raquan? And this is a the mark contract. This I say, you have no contract. Share, Sama. Yeah, can't discussion. Also, be done, say, Mr. Dunham Bizarre, if you say, and you found all kind of idea, a free. Of you have been how many years?
5 years.
Let me stand so officer, we also walk on to run. How many kilometers? Bizarre, you try to make process. I mean, let me stand say, question the end of the medical tagus.
Never to Quanqua.
Men are mechanical. MPP are buying back. Say, I mean, no, say. After a contractor, the cool tired, a good man. Yakwaka was any assassin. Young fan on 20. Oh, you have process. Now, coming here. No.
Okay.
It may cut Sinipiso set. So we also to a contemporary. And this is my contract. We are all.
Oh, omo kona contract ni kwan so
dia ba dia no me omo contract bi ni kwan so anya no kwan so hwa ya wo ba bi afra no fodu okru eko enchi afi na do danko akufu ado apan e dia ma contract ayeye kwan eni akonto mra de nyina e kwan na fe ni e for me na watra ba mu 8 years wanti ma anyi kwan MPP aban aba na do danko akufu ado ye kwan a wo se NDC ye de ma contract another papable liar was anka mo video so any adofia Benjamin Jansi ko si adofia and also anya no kre NDC aban bia won to contract ho
over
2019
contract na wo kan no na eye de e bi kwan no eye ntwa so saa butu kwan anase na ye kwan a ngukota ana ngukota so
nwa se minua o kasasa enzaura to akontomra road also me makacho say me so we feel
sure I understand we nim ho but for the sake of me person who say
NDC and the ma contract
okay iya ben na ma contract
the ma year 2014
okay na mo so omo fa how many years na nya kwan no
na year no contract na year from Zambia said from Sagiyoso to Inchi and na year 3-year contract
3 years
okay. And was one year
okay
and unti omu be ekwanu ye dwi kwanu mu eba ekwanu ye mekase ye di quote egu so na ye from
okay
contractor ba kwanu so edwi kwanu so na ole omu to ye gates omu ye gates enti baby a bridges wo no ye time no start is omu ye sa bridges ni gates ni nyina
okay
mo ba ye no ana mo bet
me da say I needed that explanation about no question Seven, no, clarify this for me for the sake of my viewers. No question I say mobile no now on my trim I gates bridges.
What trim and say that contract no can don't go through.
Oh, so
was existent.
Okay, no
ya can see the trap
please I will not accept that.
See ya the mark
Oh father I will not accept that please.
Oh that
no or say na contractors was so omoye bridges gates
is answer fan omoye bridge omo kuru ba kon bridge on kan no wati ebunti hwa asema ye kan yes say when you talk of rules one wa be catch compounds mu me say off head min krabugu ha
ba to kofi krom to ba pa
me ba kofi
ya kan zaura
kan wo so kan wo kan bo pa panta
you also too and zaura na nya zaura
contract na man
me just anya zaura pa
contract na
man you also
okay
krom to
well my man you are I'll come to you know some about my so yes
my your friend is
me crew
Google the construction of Benjamin Junction to Adofia Road.
Okay.
This story was filed, man, joy online, 15 August.
Okay.
Yeah.
20. Okay. We say. As for the road,
15 August. Yeah.
I say as for the roads there, it's not, especially from Adabo Krum to Nkrankwanta Road. In fact. We are suffering. Okay, His Excellency, if you are watching, if you are crew, okay, all right. Okay. Construction of Benchema Junction, I think 15 August 2021. Okay, the government of Ghana has broken ground for construction of works to begin on the Benchema Junction Adjofua Road. Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, cut short for the project. 38-kilometer road project was initially supposed to begin construction in 2011 and 2014, but has faced delays in both years after the contract was terminated on the evidence of Kuku road audits. Okay, so
what's the message now?
Wait.
Okay, no.
Officer, please. If I tell you the number of people are almost sending messages almost show no. No, yes, the fact no. I've read it. I say road audits.
Good.
And man, no, but now was a 2011, 2014.
We are all learning.
Yes. Okay. Right, I'm saying that when you have Yeba trust so. Yeba is here.
And the work no kura no. And that's what kata no kura no.
Dabi ma me. See animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira. Ebi no be from ho se me yo omo asofo. Nso no mo nya ma asorema. Akom.
Obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a che no. Wa ya stroke no enko. Malam se bra.
Ya djuma me me ne da.
Okay.
Kwesi da. Ejuoda, ebanada, okuoda, yawada. Efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda.
Okay.
Akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na daso ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom o sa glue an kasa nkra no o sa twu glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den on be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina sa ba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kira wo kwan no wo be hu na say ebeye mremre
okay
a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bi
Sign Emma Akwaba Uguso Sinopi live on Kumawood Television. Meaning at Sema. We say good evening. Good host to our incoming MC for Sefioso Seben for very intelligent and brilliant submissions. Kindly ask the NDC communicator of ATA to mention one factory established in Western North during the Atena. We Nana Ngwa. Edifice Sefioso Nana di free or day Abba of ATA. Take note of that. Good evening. My name is Kachiri from Sefi Mpomem. My regards to Uncle Ben Edasi, but then Mr. Wa I say more fire. Okay. We say please ask the NPP man is it only Western North that voted for NPP? Please, my name is Haruna Seidu. Haruna, no, but today we are looking at Western North Region Development and unti NABia Obo Sosa. Well, I'm Enoch from Achuma Trabum in the Ashanti region. Mike, please tell the NPP man that Nana Addo and the NPP government promised us 1G1F and not warehouses. I really agree with the NPP man for saying NPP party is far ahead of the NDC. Yes, indeed, NPP is far ahead of the NDC due to the following: corruption, shortcutting, 419 promises, increase in fuel prices, and borrowing. Messages not dosso. I mean, fancy. DJ Omale and Wayosi Edifri Goso. President Addo is working very hard for Ghana's progress and prosperity. Fellow Ghanaians appreciate what President is doing. As for NDC propaganda, it will fall flat like Ofata is doing now. Regards to Hope in Pope incoming National Youth Organizer, Hopeful, and Martin James Akosa, the Chiman South MP. In terms of development of Bebiani, NPP cannot compare themselves to the NDC. We say please let the NPP tell us where they have provided Western North with electricity. NDC gave us electricity, and it was through NDC that we saw infrastructures. Okay, and also boss with that NPP Sefi is nothing without I believe that's what we wanted to write. As NPP man is mentioning 5 things. NPP did a lot. Okay. Message from Allah Baku and Baku. Allah Baku. But still him that he can lie to us because we are from Sefiyoso. Tell him to mention 5 things MP for Sefiyoso did for us. Or NPP. Oh, message no. Enye clear me. Adaruma. Please ask the NDC man that what has they done for Babiani and Yasu Bekwai. Just ask him to mention 1 project after we voted for them. Just now we have nursing training, 1 modern SHS at Awaso, and a lot of chip compounds, namely Akasu, chip compound, Sorono, Homjibre, and many more from Ronald Sefi Bekwai and Ronald before the Abba. Me say, for what is in a bra, me bachawa men fre o fry into me peke. You go so AD and Komo ewo Sefi. Ewo any ewo Western off, and of course, because we know na e yakoyi inche for free. So ewo Western off. Ewo need Komo.
Yes. Say Mark. If you say purposes of the Indian man may go to I buy empire no near you. As I say, what some now do I know can. And so man, the translation into action. Don't you story now, Mamma NDC over the years 2011 to 2014. Most of my papa here, Benjamin Junction to Adufia. What moment my idea? Vice President, I'm saying headlines. By 2019, I bet capital. Now, what point, but yeah, I pointed. Omu ko test see ya wo fata beka abeka kire o say one of them a contract. Master, na nkade be nkwan na 38 kilometers. 2011, na je 2021. Say ma how many years? Sabe ka frat ogu kwan na fi akọ wagadugu kura di sabe ka frat go munui. Asem na ye kan. Ya asem a ye ni bresem. MPP full of propaganda. It be a man to say Benjamin Junction to Adofia Road, Vice President, 2019 or Captain Sword. Me no can say, and no president, or when respective road, contractor now 80%.
Wow.
I am Monday construction.
Okay.
It may come of attack at say, and this time, die, you bear, or much man, and yet, Nanado, Danko, who are to buy good governance, or the corner perspective. I'm your fear for die, a good. Yafa no tonche. Sir, you know say. If it no break. Eba be Jema Junction hona, ba bia sisi na kufu ado ato aso.
Okay.
E no so no, wo man panyin dada akofo. E na nso sa kwan wo ye. Bi danza me wa. It's on record. Na say bi sa na say. Me si go tala. Efi Jema Junction, e twam piaboso. E no so bi ama na ye. Ko rules. Sir, we also Abuaju Group, Kota Edigu, the late Aliu Mahama, he was an engineer on the Cocoa Road concept. Bye. You can't be doing what you see upon said. Sir, now I've been under that home. It's yet this for the kind of bass by. What's the enemy bizarre? Bishop Fatama said, a dear bass. Once that went to Manka, a for bass. Now the concept is a bass and Ankasano. One that they buy a way easy move. And I walk look to me.
Wasn't the plan in you?
That be not crying.
By Quan Bay, and not basses need to be caught.
I never come at the local.
So you quite know that.
What's a car that does it? Why?
I need to was a call back. What is it?
Or
now,
or Kansas who said, car massive. And I meant you soon the bass yet about. So, yeah, I may be bound and cut to the design said, a dear bass and once I'm walking. I have 4 bass. And I met Bizarre said, I can't the metro mass by or my bad. I am a banana before, and this is my and people are mine, and the metro mass by, and I'm the one. Nay, the metro mass was a real swap. I know we didn't throw our video is to say metro mass, when this not the one. That is a done in your mamma, public transport on my dinner. Jaffa on 20. Put in us some more kind of year. Was so quiet as one. And we also nursing school now, and this. It is here. Catherine and Sam say a papabo lie. And this is a nursing training school. oh bibi so we also nursing training school see one NPP time for 4 time that time not that time
I remember that
besides health school ben and then this maybe in western no omo ba ko ntere me
oh when nyam dia na we mo dem
bibi any on authority you can verify from anybody say bibi any health school nursing training school e wo 2017 year review school you can call anybody and answer call a bibi bibi any or better testify the actual we here no fi wa o ka secondary school on kwa ka asem nyente wa kwa bo say we of senior high school oho and the school
say was catch on the same
say was na nya this
almost see I think 13 14 classroom block
Omampanyina da for
okay
Omampanyina da for Omampanyina da
me kwa mama sumra ma many patron or founder at the health group or people Ashanti region or a farmer SI or Safi and then Patem Raka Kudia Obanotin and Car and Wajan Ray Namia Domi Hoyapa and himself also Hoyapa. Good. Good. I understand, sir. Your discussion will follow. You want to make a point. ENT or whatever. Okay. Too bad. Okudia friend man say Western call. Doctor Okudia. Western call. Yes. Manifest.
Previous abuse. Omampanyida da buy. Was say or your model schools in Ghana. Okay. So we also senior high school.
Okay.
And you pick see a quayano, no your friend say model school. Girls dormitories. Pause. Assembly was Nina MPP time you see. Now go see one your friend say.
Must be was it 14 classroom block?
Now 14 class that's what I count. All girls dormitory. You could school now or any girls dormitory.
Okay.
MPP time, model time. Time I forecast or year secondary school be a war. One district be no why the model school. Yet you choose a view of senior high school. And I don't know I mean material videos of my job. We are talking of new ideas. Yeah, what about baby any answer the why? New senior high school. You are citing on our senior high school new completion 80%. Oko baby any bisa. When senior high school. And your full structure, you are complete. Nursing school now make because of yours with ya. Corporate hostel, 200 capacity. Your friend is saying hostel, MPPSC, and remember find achievement. We are talking of big things. Now, so I will say, 3-minute classroom. Now the Bible now is telling you. What can I say? Assembly monument. We are talking of idea, a dim punto, a beba. I can't once a man who say a headmaster office. What we see, and you think say you have to know from. Whenever a developer, Western of whenever a developing. Check a prayer Western of in our baby township. Because we also township. Town roads, MPP are buying and the Yama contractors will use. Because some bad at Domutia, and the other almost grow back home to go to Gusu. I was a real task. Bialis, because one mobility. Biawes, Grover on the go to Gusu. Jaboso, Grover on the go to Gusu. And don't think Jaboso go the go to Gusu. Because MPP are buying the Gusu. Now what you are buying? Yaba, unya ye kwan na so NDC ye chase. Ana wo chase na here. Bi so mo se kwan be ba na sawi. Omutimi ye do mo saka ye omutimi wie. Sama, answer na message for. Me pese me ka ma ofata. Ti se anamo a MPP aban etu ni sawi no. NDC ba ye. What mean? Rural electrification. What say NDC dey rural electrification ba? Enya no kre. Acha important dey say rural electrification as. Government is a continual process. And I run is by me admit this will be a lot of work. Our Western law. But no crown, you couldn't do one NPP time. And your man electricity. Growth is a pabuas. Growth is a your friend is a interest. Met my book, group break up what you group. Or what now was it?
Do you still have communities that was here?
For now, I would say no. I can't feel and said I knew.
Okay.
Group yeah, was it for now all night.
Okay.
There's a few villages that numbers no
right. 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 We say, please, Mike, President Akufo-Addo destroyed the NPP. K Bedu new site or they free or they abba. We say at NDC time my father was able to pay my fees, but now he is not able to pay my tertiary fees. Okay, I think what is tertiary? Okay. We say please, Maji, my greetings to incoming MCE for Sefiyoso municipality. Honorable Benjamin Opon is making a fantastic submission. May God continue to bless him. Amen. Yeah, so Yajibiwaha. Say, boss, greetings to my hard-working chairman Kweku Shaibu and my development MP, Honorable Evans Paul Edu. Tell Chairman Shaibu that the youths of Sefiyo also need him back. Allah, Baku. Okay, okay. Probably happen. Greetings to your viewers. Sir, when you are talking about development in Western North in perspective, NPP has done marvelous job in the region. In education and health sector, we can talk of Asafo College of Health, Sefi Yoso College of Health, construction of Benchema Ajufua Road, Yoso Akontomra Road, Junase Jaboso Road. 23 years in government, NDC has nothing to talk about. They are only interested in telling lies and propaganda. Simon inside Isaac room, regards to Seben, our incoming MC. In fact, I'm saying position I am farm and another demonstration power because the way I didn't see. We say, good evening, Sir Mike. I am enjoying your show. In fact, when you interrogate your panelists, they come out with a lot of issues. I like the way you moderate, but tell the NPP when it comes to development, they can't match the NDC, not even in Ashanti region than the Western North region. Okay, Naomi, you now say, Oba, good. But I mean, my boy, boy, pa. Aboafo no boy pa obi to say Venezuela travel and tour Venezuela travel and tour omo fantastic kumase aya na omo say domestic and international ticketing visa assistance uni birth set na person birth set and I say passport na person omo passport omo met me ya ma na person tu kwan na omo assist na omo ntimi nye visa mfama wa omo tatahwe na omo ya FN say omo de utu kwan no a omo ni kan news ka bi anto wansa zubu o sit 50% omo say da bi omo age o document ni na no maje o visa amount o twa plane ticket what do kotoka no omo say ampa plane na me be fro no na obusu ni bi o ben ho no enso age ne sa fefe azan bi ana dai amen de omo di kan boka ni na aha nti wo fie fo kwa na eden a omo na baboka so because omo be bibia sanity omo kuma santase eno mo aha na mala Muhammad nso say huhu no honam ni problem dia ran ho ma me nko amano so bio na me ne akudi ankodi nkomo aja ku o te menka na o hye nkomo bi ase na line drop here mentio na me ka bi ti ati on panche na o so so na panche but grande can say of a time some of your can no e no kwe na ma no say NPP4 and the and that to na panche oh yeah the NPP4 de ma panche do you know it to set that I'm talking about the people and now I got to use it mama to buy mama to buy one to I don't want to buy no I don't want to we the 6 year now 3 last year no the ma panche only but they are putting now go on to get money like one to wow to equipment the data I equipment the upon to that and to remember they are what only information but and some of the all can now that put you and put out with that we are talking now to the court and upon to that and they are really possible and go for prospect and you are one of show I did my first show I did for free all the whole was not there is a bit more we program about this time. About Okay, so but
also district, you know. I need to go there, yeah, and 2004. I'm not going to go for district, but after the first MP this year, no one hour after, that's what I could be. Also, and 2001 to 2004, you did two, no, and I don't know what they never on to that. I want to find out the right before. You're talking about or say, Ramsa Killer, you've been on to that. I did a very private company, one like a fellow. I'm going to be here. I don't know what that. I'll probably not my baby because I must say you to know I come to Milano. Every year, after that, I had a program. What ended you have to know? Let me follow him out a good walk on the Milano to be mine.
Okay. Yeah.
And some of them it's not go. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I say. And I say when I'm na wabemu ya say pa nyamista it say bia boko right kwakudia farmer wasan MPP when you focus here pa kwani no western wasan am western and I wasan doctor na say so wabemu baran yeni komo western no yeti komo over memra
minka wait to wasan ma family.
Okay.
In fact, so when you will be know your doctor say you will buy because you be trying to say over that will be now what my man some person men doubt to credibility but some person go kasa your doctor part here my favorite man
I didn't hear
number 1 me patch parliamentary answer Ghana secure 35 million euro for benchmark ajuofua that is 39 kilometer road. Me pato parliamentary answer.
You say yeah me.
Oh, yeah, customer, but on say assembly near dance here. What you want be? That you want go to my job online. Once we catch them will say 2011 ye buy na aban buy no ye say ye audit.
Yeah.
And the ma e delay ye. Ye mfa die bi ye nto ade bi a ye di ano. Say ye mfa die bi bo metu dwa. Ye ka say the boarding. Enti ye nte so ma ni ye. Me pato tieni yo was see abai ba yen 2011 abai ba yen ana wo ye say yen stop na ye audit na yen hwe and ma project ni delay ya when you so the word delay and say abai bin for content bi ma obi a ye be ye audit e ma ni ye me ya bon ye na ye me ye say entina me say a whole doctor ayo ye what believe wo mu say wo de say yen po ye transfer be kan okre na so betra be say transfer throw we ya
but it's not that but he made two other way was it sashi okay say na your so with him okay
me ba enti anu ne ye ajuefu a ade sashi yo so ya wo kan me nta me ka che o say wo free ya kan say pechin kwanta wo fa ni say ya na wo kokko ojo
okay
wo fa form dia na wo konkwadu no akobesi bema no akwatakuru udura takuru ma wo kotoro wono wo se twetweli nkwanta eda wo minim so otie me pa wonim asan wakonwan sampo brampa be kuru ya community ya magbo nyina ekonyina ndisi na de city koye enemi no yiti ya kache me say community bi e wo safi entry na say western of wo de safi yang beti won ne safi wo entry nyina e wo le city when you say me honorable with all due respect who name utility no so what do besi bema na wo ko your son kwanta ko bi wo your friend your phone patam so woni mo adi ko bredi grade ni ye bro o de ko panyin nana o de ko asan wo be si quarters no e ho nyina e kura enipa e wo mo proof 50 light ni any of the communities.
Oh, son, and only that we know.
E ye kura enipa e wo mo to aba e proof 50 enipa to aba wo ya register e proof 50 in communities e ye community enye village e ye community
50
they say a year community nipa e wo to aba e proof 50. It is what be to to aba when 18 years you ko proof 50 enye community ami busa enye community wo firi wo sa e ko pipa ya ase e ko pratin kwanta
unfortunately anytime
that be nyata wo man the time e sa friend doctor e man ne ba mu it be patrol ma me so meta minua yi etia e ka kire yen say o ma bie ras factory enunti a great achievement enye bone seven previous enipa benya aduma ye wo be fan say me age one sha me chen enunti assembly worker ya me de be chen but for information na ye wo say you also bus america say din ka call say you also first no ni e friend omnibus service authority
okay
na ye friend osa we hunu bi it was someone pany ko for na dey transport yi buy so we say you also this year asma me can win him say osa any first bus a course you also and send a metro mass eba if told it a rollins and the osa a course you also first and sana and zaura yeah can Jamaican you na nyam nwa e bia o need that information and our banks when him say sanyama we be pie mafi it is over catch you say me see metro mass and to man pani ko for na di metro mass buy it say metro mass dia omnibus service obi a oye panyin na ni afi bia o wo of one worker eti doctor enye me wanwa onim MPP adaru mo ko school ye doctor ye dey to doctor for na no ana ama je say bia position ti wo ye oh say ye betina fi dey so don say wo kotiwa wo twantro ensema mi ka ni nyina project ya mi ka nyina busa say emu dey na eni wo what say we yes
I also message you and then this
well, problem I'm one say. What's a me mouth Benjamin road? I know me mouth. I can say I am free road. I know. Sasika project I can you know Sika. A NDC $120 million now.
Okay.
No more say you John. What? But no. You will project to be a while. Yes, I see it. Mobile, you know, mobile to us. And if you grab will be here. Sasika na a buy, you know. And MPP kana mabone na in any way in conclusion you fan said the minute you can yina ya no kure na na kufu ado ba ya no bosia wono ko abo 280 billion 280 you no ko abo ansana Ghana men ka Ghana ka nyina
no
you no ko
no that was not true total debt you say
enye true you say
give us a total debt of
come figure enye true
right no
280 billion
what is the total debt
what say
total debt you say
say me look say Ghana total debt you about 340 something
so 347 na Mahama Eko na 122 kura no what the 280 Eko kan 122 ho a e be duru say
what so kind oh yes 120 that's what maybe
180 and 400
120
yes plus 280 280 that's why I told you said no it is not 280 because 280 there now currently no your debt no I raise to 400 which is not so
and that service fine and yes so I saying no oh boy
you have even started to yourself say
so what you busia akufuado abo
me that say
so why you do mama here 10 times to cry and
to whom much is given indeed much is expected. Good evening, please. Gloria at Accra. Tell the NPP man that they should pay us our allowances for teacher trainees. Abi, he has teacher training in Sefi. Yes, Sefi you also Legon of the West. Oh, teacher for Naketria. I say my. We say what NPP government you have maintains you. We can't sound when we become a mechanic. Okay. What NPP government know is to talk and talk. Let them say what they want because they have the power now. But when it comes to development, NDC is ahead. Please, Please wrote at Pristia Nkwanta Samina boy. Bamucho mo disturb me. Pristia Nkwanta Samina boy among Cocoa Roots, but when they gave them power, now they stopped them for working. Let them give the credit to okay. Say I'm Prophet Shadow from Pristia Nkwanta Samina boy area. Prophet Yana say enyumre we say I'm watching you live from Ahafo, Kenya, number 2. In terms of development, NPP is number 1 in Western North region. From Sefiyo so Buakon Asafo to Asanyoneso Road was constructed by NPP. Asanyoneso Benchemo Road, Asanyoneso Kojina Estekrum, Benchema Bridge, all constructed by the NPP. Now, all SHS students from Western North are enjoying free SHS under NPP government. NHIS, free maternal care. I am Nana Kwame, incoming assembly member. My regards to my father, Mr. Akwesi Bedu, aka Alike Sefi Asanyoneso. Alike Oba Echiao. We say none of the above has done well. Oji Castek. Okay, Oji the no Munina Mafili Sefi. Please tell Seben up to date, why is it that they have not finished Suya Nkonya Road? Sui Nkonya Road from Cooling Sefi Nkonya Momukwa no wanye. Okay, from Sam Dauda at Camp 15 Junction. From Camp 15 Junction to Debiso Road is very poor. Please tell Mr. President to come and do the road for us. If hospitals, schools, clinics, and others without better roads, people will die on the road. I believe that's what we want to write. Some here now say, we say, boss, tell Kwekuduya that he is not the only person in Sefiwai. Alabaku Edion Odiaban was in terms of road, 82 to Asanyoneso Road, Safo Town roads, and the likes. Message is not done, so well, Madam Muhammad Sebra, Madam Muhammad Semin Kanto Sebra, spiritual heba, okay, Ntibra, Meba, okay, welcome, me. The Madam say, home, anyone, bra, now into me, wow, I war, Sikasamo na ayeten, was a bambo na ope, so di, warrior, and egu, ayabasa. Ina aba betumi aboawo etwere edam yare bia no balance bra na ontumi emo ko watibie ena malam Muhammad wo ko watibie eskafo amantem ena malam wo 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 Our travel logistics en kancho say na kontu ena o person to ko Dubai akoya adwuma na ene metumi koso ye de manwa our travel logistics Dubai no de ko adwuma ho sanso ena ma bia betumi ada nti ko duro no nko stranded ye kududu ba ma be haye du ya ne ha na bra ye Ghana ni ama kakra ye but next time am ma haye madawroma ko na wa mfa nko na afi no ntimo odwuma ne be nyana so ko ho a wanko hankrofo airport 0552373027 0552373027 wa mimi awoma no ntum na afi me mfa adwenkyere o ba mu a madawroma tie ni ye pa unya frɛ ne apekewa ma wo TV volume no nkɔ fom ne tie ho free phone no ayede wo de afre no tie ho free entie ho even free TV ne so Mr. Wa channel so fuma me Venisberg Travel and Tour as a domestic and international ticketing, visa assistance, passport, birth certificate, hotel reservations, booking of embassy appointment. Nina no oba wetumi abwa pa fantastic massive wo 0556 055965. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Mike.
Good. We didn't have me friend you
Oh,
I mean, till free a confin aqua.
You remember the one? Yeah, how much? And you never tell me I'm going to I'm going to get everything. I can tell you, I can make a papa. We are papa, and the children for the level. What 3 weeks ago, the young people for family, I can never put the map of shame. What for? I said, the working of our first. And the people from the television campaign at the Congress. Okay, we will say that they don't say anything. Come on, Papa. You say you want to do what you want to say. Well, now you say you can do come to the other. You can do that. You know, I used to go there, and I don't know if you look at this. Let's talk about something. We go and I never look at that. We just don't make it. Oh, people put it out because I have to continue to public. We have people go back there. We have to do two business. Then we have to go one. The one, we should get it. I don't have to. But it's not yet. I'm going to get things out.
Okay. I say, and I said, only been so in Remobi. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Kumbuku guy on Mintio. Yeah.
But if I put away the media or the Mohammed, I will go and minister. Michana now or the boy and the deputy general secretary, and you are. After that would be a figure. Mr. Mike, one say Ghana, and this is for secondly American, you know, with your own year, and the top year of what your own will do. I have the sister of what to do, and to do so what to perform, and to put them and the question of what your own say. Ghana, I have probably ended to communicate with the parties of what you do to the radio so long. Because of the one who are moving now. I'm not here. You want another dump of water or buy your crown for your part or the Madonna for Mr. Mike, 10 years on your own will do. 10 years on your own will do. No one can get another dump of the time to get made or when your own will do. Somebody is against or more will do. One constitutes one ambulance or more will do. One Mr. One Factor or more will do. And your map of the bar, then or the
Okay.
I don't know what time or you are in my bed.
Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Ujina, so good evening. Udina ya shey friend yumre. Yenti o yumre. Ma dibelo no kofa mo e, why? Ya da se pa yenti o. Why ne kasa yenti o? Okay.
Now, already, now, every before the American command, the matter. Yes, yes. Now, I can't see not the solution. Let the baby and if you are in what they are, they would stop on here now. And they attack you. What's up? They are so cheap. Second, it's a little packet. You feel your first one to go. What kind of thing? That's another book in America. Now, we share what I was going to say. This is because of the expression of power. 10 years. I want to go here.
Okay. Hello, good evening. Wow, you know so Majo. Okay, Western region. Okay, Mencha Matthew. We reporter the man at Western Ocean. Hello, good evening. Good evening, I'll share free. Okay, ain't you? Abane jina ye safi unsa line no nsa danya yi sa ye still safi line nsa den safi ya che good mo
no end this na so na wo kana de ya na mo wo de de ya ya brand ni na free eh ya na be so ni che bi so che wo de ya ba una guarda Roma una parte di Santa ma vedete di strong che io non mi sento di allora di sta non mo sta con le sta con te
okay then I see now network no osla still na wontimi nya ho hwe because she a check we fro bia na ko fro bia is it oh Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Would you be our shaming friend, you may?
Okay, really quick, maybe that's a book.
Adabo Chrome, Quakumin Tio.
That's all. NBC man, no. They said, on Canada, Nane, and said before, Yakia Bama, NBC from 1992 up to next. And so, no, I will tell me, NBC back. Almost the idea, my. And I will tell them, yes, what the NBC not a yes, woman say, yeah, with a person reading in NBC, almost saying they were. NBC there, and what all the city in the Western North region. And so, no, mobile power, they don't wear my year wine yet. Count 15 Johnson area, almost very like our kind like the national. It takes more than 3 years. Now, in fact, like they buy, you know. Cooling, you need bills to acquire 22,000 Ghana cities. I'm a question, me, I will not cool the 2,000 Ghana cities of a family or just light number. If you get cooling, you're technical degree right because of that. If you are working up for, yeah, how you need people more, everything more, but you need some more, you about the move back, you use that opportunity to make a thank you. And so, projects by or both are a fancy region. At that time, NDC power. While I was working up, I committed to NDC up next. So, I'm my say.
Right.
You like it yet? Yes, doing it. Yes, saying it.
Yeah, now say, now, Adabo Chrome, Mr. De Graft, Minta, this was officer, the man, check. And I feel Nana Adima Prempe, and Chiamupa. Hello, good evening. I rather go switch time, pa. Do you have me free? Okay, Minty or Hinaba. Almost in the fine. Okay, okay. Okay. Ono ya waya. Na nyima do sapo sa to man bi o. Okay. Right. You have two more calls now in fancy. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening, I'll show you friend you ring. Joe, you ain't seen this as also.
What am I saying? And I was take they say they make a thing to a little Kurukana. And it's one that is a good thing. So, I know we have to go. Episode. Now, my bag was a result. I thought about the other capilla for the person that on the time. Then, today, and it's going to be one who are contacted. Follow me. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Last caller for tonight. Good evening.
Good evening.
When you are share free. Yes. Oh, so we didn't have pray free. We didn't have share free.
Good evening.
Right, seems that on tea and car emreno I am nyagro work when you be trash. Well, you na say and I was a pa say munyabre na da bia motive TV ho na mo hwe yen me chese before nyina na yensre osla mama o say ya kasa utie. Yes, I know Western region the ma be ye ewo tabakrum kutukrum ameni om network na ye mesrewa wada roma sahwi areas me bi wo ho a network na nye ene nso de se ne wi ase pa nso de wo ho nti mebusa ya se light de bebiri wo light nti at least ma network na nyina so na entimi emwa ofa ye ko
menu ya ne special doctor omo mo frɛ ye nti a menyin ni say omo view ye the view of say before.
Okay.
Omo view no ye pure MP before. Ayesa Kameka say before you bunia ye for papa. Oh yes. And yes sir. And Kameka say but once MPP for no position or more baby.
Okay.
No more per se or more 2 foot to a month for 1 year. Now the view of Sefi. Because Sefi by Sefi NDC. NDC in a month of years.
Good.
Let's say the menu ye can the MPP for na frey and cassette. Oma to Obama NDC Sanya and a cassette for the Momo. Go asante for to Obama MPP parts 1 PP project. Bakum. Ah, the neck of what the Yiri Crow and when you walk on Fanotis, a good for the night to Obama. Rebecca Center. But an echo for the broke crown to do a confanati.
I say, Emrana,
yeah. No failure amount for there. Any MPP.
I say, and I want a pa, Master Joya. Why if a pa?
Come Western North and this is a broken safety.
I see. I say, was it please ask Ben, why is it that JSS up to date, some enumerators have not received their money after work as a yoso? Incoming. If you munya amodi inti to one more. Why? To one more. To one more.
I will say Ofata na Officer Kasa in the Atembaka.
Oh, just saying. On my show, send me, say what so fata.
Mahama Semno or Catras and
was say.
Well, the view at is a year. Because and there was a table. My table. You tell a cast. Ah, I mean, I say, and one say, I say, Mrs. And my Bama say before. Say for a caswa. Idiot would you to me, Hallie say, so I can't say. Mahama, what do you need? John Santa Radio for years. Make what communication. You cannot insult. It is better insulting. They are not very simple.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Managing submission. But that's what you say. That's what you say. That's I'm representing the views of social media.
I am sampling. And not here. CDD Ghana.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the
62%?
Will be Flafia Jofia.
Yeah.
I was there some night. Yekan. Matia and this is Matia and people. Say the other. You want him. Maybe I'm challenging one to me and Gary. Me see me.
Oh, I don't know.
As I'm challenging one of you. Me say.
Okay, so end your conversation with Sefi. Okay. Before Sefi, no. Very. Very.
Conversation. You be east. You be west. You be also. Both. Serious. Be beside specific plan and this buy. Mama, what you have for? Mama was out.
Papa, Miss MC.
Auntie, Ajumadia Yedi. A bar, you cannot.
Okay.
Yeah, families. A buy or bar, obey Shaman of White. Okay. Or not, your boy is my head. Okay. MPP a man by or Marco program a buy. Okay. I'm serious about me. I'm not also. I'm not what we are such a Wabukai. And you look at to a message for one grammar. A idea I say. Okay. I see one who will be a cocoa one out toward your farmer. That's only cooperative. That's just a organization.
And I say, about him. Say, Yamea, Dom, I'm a Mampania Bonidia. When you're dinner, no, about sure. Now, ya did the views of Sefi. No, there will be a trend be a bit not an agent. Now, you said yes. Good. Right. And this the shape of all right. So, yeah, I say, you're not saying, and I must say, because if you're saying, yeah, there will be an answer. And then also why we'll be saying great. Good. What right. I was here, Benjamin upon a constituency secretary for the NPP, Sefi also, Madam, or vie for MC position was Sefi also, and of that, and so a Sefi this year kron edit Sir Mike on behalf of the entire crew na me aduma wachina ebesia yakram
si animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum ba from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
ya adwuma me ne da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ho no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu na say abaye mremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia